So y'all, my pot looks really good. I sat up there and plucked it and did what I had to do, honey, and it looks good. Okay, a big difference from yesterday. I wish I would have sit up there and recorded it, but it looks a big difference. A big difference from yesterday, honey. Because yesterday it was giving me very much tight hairline. Looking synthetic. That's what it was giving me yesterday. But now that we didn't open up that part, it's giving what it's supposed to be giving, like a human wig. It's giving what it's supposed to be giving now. But I just wanted to capture that and put that on there. So toodles, y'all. Until next time. 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Cali. Happy birthday to you. Have fun, Cass? All right.
Give me my prize.
All right. Did you have fun?
I want to eat them.
What you want to tell YouTube? How was your birthday? How was your birthday?
Good.
Good. A heart. Awesome. Aww. And how was the jumping? Good. You had fun with your family?
Water.
What?
It's feeling like the water.
All right. So you ready to go home and get some rest for part 2 tomorrow? All right. Say bye.
Bye.